Today we're going to be looking at the steps involved when we're multiplying numbers with decimals in them. And as you can see here in question number 1, we're being asked to find the product of 1 6/10 multiplied by 8/10. So in order for us to find the answer here, what we're first going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and rewrite this equation down below without the decimals in it. So instead, I'm going to be multiplying now 16 times 8 instead of 1 6/10 multiplied by 8/10. So now that I've done this, I can go ahead and just multiply this. So 8 times 6 is going to give me 48. So I'll write the 8 down below and carry the remaining 4. And next is 8 times 1, which is 8, plus 4 gives us 12. So we'll go ahead and write the 12. So now that I have the answer to 8 multiplied by 16, I need to add the decimal back in place here. So in order for me to do that, I need to look at the equation up above and see how many digits there were to the right of the decimal place. So as we can see in 1.6, we have one number to the right of the decimal place, and in 0.8, we have another number to the right of the decimal place. So I know that my answer is going to have two numbers to the right of the decimal place. And since 128 is a 3-digit number, I know that my decimal place is going to have to go between the 1 and the 2. So we'll just go ahead and put a decimal place between the 1 and the 2, because now I have two numbers to the right of the decimal place, just like I do in the equation above. So 1 6/10 multiplied by 8/10 gives us 1 28/100. So now let's go ahead and give number 2 a try here. So you remember that our first step is to go ahead and rewrite this equation without any decimals in it. So now we're going to be multiplying 92 times 4. So our first step is going to be to multiply 4 times 2, which gives us 8. And next we're going to multiply 4 times 9, which gives us 36. So we'll go ahead and write 36 down below. Our next step, as you'll remember, is to figure out how many digits there are to the right of the decimal in the equation up above. And we can see in 92/100 that there's 2 digits to the right of the decimal place, and in 4/10 there's 1 digit to the right of the decimal place. So I know that there's going to have to be 3 numbers to the right of my decimal place in my answer here. And as you can see, 368 has 3 digits in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the decimal at the beginning of this number, because that allows me to have 3 digits to the right of the decimal place. So I know that this is the correct placement of the decimal because there's 3 digits to the right of the decimal place. So 9200 multiplied by 4/10 gives us 368 thousandths. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how to multiply numbers with decimals in them. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. As always, enjoy today's math lesson.